this video, we're going to be talking about how to open a Marcus online savings account. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open the Marcus by Goldman Sachs application. And once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and click on New to Marcus, Get Started. And now, as you can see, it says Open an Account. All you need to do is simply go ahead and click on Start Saving and then Online Savings Account right over here. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and call this number right over here, and then they'll be making your account, but it's also going to go ahead and give you a form right over here to go ahead and enter your SSN, your name, your address, date of birth, or even identity verification, and then simply go ahead and make an initial deposit from your linked account, and then that is it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.